Today's I am talking about Microsoft Corporation stocks. Here you can see these stocks how much return make for investors. Here you can see these stocks make approximately $500 prices. Here you can see these stocks how much return make in the last 5 days and in the last 1 month. So Microsoft stocks make good return in the last 1 month, which is 30% positive return. So good return, that means good return. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. So here you can see the stocks make how much return in the last 6 months and last year to date and 1 year's return, which is 1 year's return which is 0. That means you can think the stocks make 4% negative return. In the last 5 years these stocks make a good return, and in the whole journey you can see these stocks make almost 5000x. Okay, 5000x return. If you invest in these stocks only $1 in the starting IPO, now your $1 value which is 5000. Okay, so always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.